viewers and followers of this channel. You are much appreciated. Welcome back. In today's video, we have a short one, but a good one. It's one of my favorite styles of high-intensity jump rope, where I mimic boxing using a jump rope. So for most of the video, I jump rope in an orthodox stance, with my left foot forward and my right foot to the rear. And I move around as if I were moving around in a boxing ring. And every once in a while, I will do a double under or a few double unders to mimic throwing a punch or several punches. And from time to time, I will do the boxer's shuffle and move from one side of the space to the other in a relatively fast fashion. So this is a great workout, really fun and quite challenging in terms of coordination because you're moving your body around and therefore you also have to adjust how you spin the rope. All right, I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next one.